This time we're going to unbox and check out a new cordless rechargeable vacuum by Greenote. This is the GSC50. We're also going to tear down the battery pack and check it out. I picked up a package today in the mail. I wonder what I got. Let's open it up and find out. This will be an official unboxing. Came from Amazon. What did I get sent to look at? I got a cordless vacuum cleaner. All right, let's check this sucker out, see how it performs. So this is the model GSC50 from Greenote. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner. It's still factory sealed. So let's break the seal. In the package we'll find the instruction manual, a brush for cleaning upholstery. We also have the metal extension tube, and this one's made out of metal. A lot of these vacuums is plastic. This is an aluminum extension tube and a wand to clean between the cushions. Get down to the business end. It's got a power head with a brush. So it almost feels like a microfiber brush there, and a more stiff bristle brush, a power adapter for charging, a filter, and of course the actual power unit itself. Looks like we've got a bit of a charge on here. First things first, I'm going to put this on charge and we'll charge it up. Looks like this filter, I probably should read the instructions, but if I open this up, that pops off there, and I'm sure that this will, there's a button here to pop the bottom down to empty it out. The HEPA filter goes in here. We just turn this. Somehow this should turn just like that. Ah, there's where that goes. And then you take this open. Oh, it comes with a spare filter. So there's the filter already in there. It does come with a spare HEPA filter. So to replace it, you just pop that out, pop the second one in, and that just sits in there like that. And then this fits on the bottom. It just locks in place like that. And then, of course, the main unit snaps on like that, clips in like that, and snaps together. The aluminum extension tube also locks at multiple lengths for the ultimate inconvenience. The various attachments can be directly connected, or they can be connected using the retractable extension tube. Just line it up and push it till it snaps. Speed button on top, 2 speeds. Or we can also put the floor attachment on and it will just snap in place just like this, same way. And then we can put the floor attachment on. And it probably will latch in the standing up position, which it will. Alright, so to give this a fair test, because the battery is not fully charged, I'm going to plug it in. We're going to charge it up, and then once it's charged, I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to let it run. We're going to see how long it will run on a single charge. So, power cord plugs in to the bottom right down here. Green lights light up on the front, and when the lights stop flashing, I'll have a full charge. So I'm going to let this thing sit and charge, and we'll pick this up once the battery is charged. Looking at the specifications, it's a 22 volt, 2200 milliamp hour battery. Charge voltage is 26.5 volts at 500 milliamps, and it takes 4.5 hours to fully charge. You've got 2 speeds, 12 kPa and 23 kPa, and the run time, according to the specifications, 35 minutes on low speed, 18 minutes on high speed. First I'll try it just right here on the floor, but I'm going to take it in the house and we'll see how it performs, so what type of dirt and stuff it will pick up. So this thing is picking up zip ties. So it's got a light on the end as well, so you can vacuum in dark places, but This is on low power. I'm going to start my timer going here. We're going to see how long it runs. I'm going to run this continually and take it in the house and do some vacuuming around the house. I'm going to let this thing run on low power. I don't need it on super suction, I don't think, but I'm going to take it in the house, do some vacuuming on low power, and we'll see what it picks up. So I'm just cleaning my cat's favorite chair. This chair was full of cat hair, and it is completely clean. You can see all this cat hair here. Just gonna suck it right up, like it's not even there. And that's using the power brush. If you have cats, you have cat hair over everything. Especially when you got cats like I've got that shed. I'm down to 1 bar. The vacuum has been running pretty much continually. I've only dumped the container once. And it's been going for 26 minutes now. I'm down to 1 bar. We'll see how long it goes before it stops. That's the whole point, is to now pick up the mess I created from the ceiling fan when I dusted that thing off. And it just stopped. Battery is dead. It stands up on its own. 32 minutes and 30 seconds is how long it ran for. I will say that this thing packs a hell of a lot of punch. The dust container is already full. So let's just pop out the screws to open up the battery, and we'll take a look at this side of things. Just pop the catch out. There we go. Okay, so there's the charging circuit. There's a wire that goes up to the switch. Here's our charging plug, and our battery is right here. And it looks to be 4 cells. No, 6 cells. I can see there's 3 cells here, 3 cells and 3 cells on the other side. So we have 6 cells on here. All right, there's the top. Well, the top cap. Haven't really got the batteries out yet, but they're there. The battery pack will slide out. There's the battery pack right there. So just lift this out, undo these wires that are in the way. There's a plug here. We'll just undo this plug, and the battery pack will slide out. Should slide out. Here's the battery pack and the control circuit. So they are 18650 cells. There's 6 of them. They are 2200 milliamp hour. Lithium ion. They are ICR 18650. 6 cells. Here's the control circuitry over here, battery management and so forth, and the connector to connect to the top. So that's all there is to see there. Batteries are padded on the side. We'll put that back in and put this unit back together. Snaps back on. It should snap back on, just like that. Okay, that pops out like that. Okay, so that's the brush, and this is onto the motor. And you just turn it until it locks into place and push it down. Like that, push it into place. And then slide that back in. And that's the power head. That about does it. Hope you enjoyed the look at this quick look at the Greenote GSC50 cordless vacuum. I think it lives up to the claims. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.